Ale, Milet, naimbang nga pinagkasanay mo, Ilocano da ya. Oh, tapta may kadwa.
No? Go.
English second. Happy 50th birthday ating ko. Nga kapimpintas ko, ag kapimpintas ta alias. Kapimpintas ta wen. Yan panunotan nyo, siyak ti kabakatan nyo, tatan nga kakasinsin, siyak ti kapintasan nyo pailaeng. Haan nga ay dalas alas, siyak ti kapintasan, yeah. I'm already 72 years old, pero look, ay sos, nagpintas ti kasinsin mo niya, nga Koreana. Kumusta ka ating ko, naimbag nga, salon at mo, kakang kanayon. Ilocano, tano, makuan pala ti Ilocano, ang, kasi agnos bleed na, no, ginglisak eh. Ya Marlon, kumusta ating ko? Kumusta kaya amin dito kasi kakasinsin ko? Sapay ko matagkikita tayo ito. No domteng ti tiyempo. No kaya dito.
Hipsy, happy 50th birthday. Wish ko lang is many more birthdays to come. Good health, long life, and more blessings to come. Partihan mo ko. I love you, Hipsy. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. And I miss you na balikan na uli dito. Love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, bro! 50 ka na pala. Parang 30 lang naman. Enjoy your birthday, bro. Keep smiling and stay beautiful as always. I love you, bro.
Happy birthday, Tita. Thank you for being very supportive towards me. Enjoy your day to the fullest, Tita. I love you, Tita. Happy birthday po.
This is our greetings from Dasmariñas, Cavite.
Okay.
Hi, hello Milet. Happy birthday. Kamusta ka na dyan? Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana humaba pa ang buhay mo. Tapos, sana lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay, makamtan mo. Salamat sa friendship natin. Salamat din pag nagbabakasyon ka, nagkikita tayo. Salamat. Happy birthday ulit. Friends forever.
Happy birthday, Tita Millet. May God bless you. And you still look young. You still act young. Hindi ka tumatanda. Alam mo yan. And then, see you sa summer. See you everyone sa summer with the kids. Bye. Enjoy. Happy birthday. We love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Happy birthday, Tita Millet, and enjoy your day. Hope to see you soon. Love you. Bye.
Hi, Tamilet. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Hope to see you soon. Say, blow kiss na kay Tita Milet. Blow kiss. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, good morning. Happy birthday, Milet. All my very best wishes and enjoy your special day. Hello to everyone. Bye.
Hello, Insan. I would just like to greet you. Happy birthday. And have fun. Enjoy. I wish you good health and more years to come.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Milet! And more days to come. Sana magkita-kita ulit tayo para makagala. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday, Lola Millet. Love you. Bye-bye.
Always believe in your soul. You've got the power to know you're indestructible. Always believe in you are gold. Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday! You turn gold, Tita Melissa. Greetings from Singapore.
Hi, Tita Milet. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Thank you for being my second mom. Ingat palagi.
Hello to my beautiful sister-in-law Milet. I want to greet you a happy 50th birthday. I wish you happiness and good health, more years to come. Hugs and kisses from Singapore. Love you.
Happy 50th birthday, my dear sister Milet, our bunso. Hope you enjoy your golden year celebration today. Pasensya na, hindi na ako nakapunta dyan. But you know, I'm always with you. Lagi naman tayo nag-uusap sa WhatsApp. Next year, hopefully, makabisit ako ulit dyan. Hope you will have a good and enjoyable birthday party celebration tonight. And I wish you the best in life. May God give you more life, strength. Live life, live your dream. And I'm just here whenever you need me. Love you. Happy 50th birthday.